I was working as a subsea engineer in Brazil for a drilling company, and we were working on a blowout preventer. Somebody unrelated to the job came in and operated the equipment, and it crushed my hand. My left hand, my left fingers were broken and crushed. The accident changed everything. I was really worried about my family. I was worried about my future, my kids. How was I going to support them? What was I going to do next? You know, not to mention the pain I was in. At this time, I couldn't move my hand, my fingers. It was pretty excruciating. It was clear that the company was more worried about getting me back to work than how I was doing. Even though I couldn't move my hand, the doctors were still trying to clear me to go back offshore. It was really apparent that they weren't really concerned with my well-being. They were just trying to hurry to get me back to work. All along, the company told me not to worry, but when it came time to go back to work and my hand wasn't ready, you know, once I told them I wasn't ready to go back to work, everything changed. They cut me off, you know, they cut my pay, they demoted me, you know. It was as if they were trying to force me to go back. You know, it became apparent that I had to make a decision. I could either hire a lawyer and protect myself, or I could allow the company to force me back to a job that I couldn't physically do. And I knew that I'd eventually get fired over it. When I started researching attorneys online, I saw that Zehl had great results representing offshore workers and maritime workers against some of the biggest companies in the country. But it was when I came in and I met with Ryan, you know, I realized that they weren't your typical law firm. Their lawyers had never lost a case that went to trial. And they really, I felt like they were willing to take on a company no matter how big. I was always able to speak with Ryan directly. You know, he and his staff made sure that me and my family had everything we needed. They helped me set up doctor's appointments. They even offered to help out with the bills. You know, that really helped me to concentrate on recovering. You know, helped me not to be so worried about how I was going to provide for my family. The lawyers at Zehl were really trial lawyers. They started getting my case ready for trial from day one. And they refused to even talk about settlement until the company offered an amount that ensured that me and my family would be taken care of for the rest of our lives. I would recommend Ryan and the lawyers at Zehl to anyone hurt offshore or in any other type of accident.